Before buying an above-ground pool pump, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. But the real buyers are definitely talking about it. The struggle with finding a pump that actually delivers clean, clear water without constant headaches. Product number 1, Kim Filter Pro Series 1000 GPH. First up is the Kim Filter Pro Series 1000 GPH filter pump. Priced at $60.98, this pump caught my eye with its impressive filtration capacity and sleek blue design. If you want a reliable way to keep your pool water clean and clear, this is worth a serious look. The hydroaeration technology increases negative ions, keeping your pool water balanced and fresh. Plus, with its Type AC cartridge design, it effectively removes debris, ensuring a crystal clear pool. With a solid rating of 4.3 stars from over 682 reviews, it's clearly a popular choice among pool owners. Now, some people complained about the noise level during operation. Here's the thing though, if you're sensitive to sound while enjoying your backyard, it might be a deal breaker. But if you're mainly using it during the day when the kids are splashing around, I think you'll be just fine. This is perfect for you if you're a first-time pool owner who wants easy maintenance and clear water. Skip this one if you're looking for something super high capacity for a very large pool. For the price, you really can't beat the value here. Now, if the noise level is a concern for you, the next product takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Kim Filter Pro Series 1000 GPH Gray. Next on the list is another version of the Kim Filter Pro Series, this time in gray, priced at $67.94. It's hard to ignore the similar features that caught my attention with its efficient filtration system. If you're looking for a solid pump that matches the performance of the previous one, this is worth a serious look. It also offers a 1000 GPH flow rate and uses the same hydroaeration technology, making it ideal for maintaining that clean, safe swimming experience. The ETL certification is a big plus, ensuring that safety is prioritized. It's designed for easy assembly, meaning you can spend more time enjoying your pool and less time worrying about it. The 682 reviews at 4.3 stars suggest that this model is well loved. I get how that can be frustrating, but often this can be a minor electrical issue rather than a pump failure. If you're comfortable troubleshooting minor electrical quirks, it shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're after a reliable and safe pump for your above-ground pool. Skip this if you're looking for something that requires no maintenance at all, since regular upkeep is necessary for optimal performance. Overall, the value is still fantastic. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want more transparency in their filtration process. Product number 3, Kim Filter Transparent 1000 GPH. Coming in at $62.96, the Kim Filter Transparent 1000 GPH pump offers an innovative twist with its fully transparent casing. If you want to keep an eye on your filtration system without guessing, this is worth a serious look. The clear casing lets you see when the filter needs cleaning, which is something most pumps don't offer. It operates at the same 1000 GPH flow rate, ensuring your pool stays clean, but now you can visually monitor its performance. This transparency means you can take action before the filtration efficiency drops, which is a game changer for maintaining water quality. Plus, it has that same ETL safety certification, so you know it's secure. With 682 ratings averaging 4.3 stars, it's another well-regarded product. Now, some customers felt that the transparent casing could get dirty and obscure visibility over time. I'll be real with you, that could be a hassle for some, but keeping it clean is a small price to pay for knowing exactly how your pump is performing. This is perfect for you if you want a pump that lets you visually monitor its status. Skip this one if you want a pump that can be completely maintenance-free. For the price and features, the transparency really adds value. Now, if you're looking for something with a bit more power and automation, the next product is definitely worth checking out. Product number 4, INTEX 2100 GPH Crystal Clear Sand Filter Pump. For those who want a more powerful option, the INTEX 2100 GPH Crystal Clear Sand Filter Pump is priced at $168.49. It's a step up in terms of flow rate and features. If you're serious about keeping your pool sparkling clean, this is worth a serious look. The built-in 24-hour timer makes scheduling super easy, so you can set it and forget it for hassle-free operation. The 6-function valve allows you to filter, backwash, rinse, recirculate, drain, and close the system, providing versatility and convenience. The 4.5-star rating from 7,000 reviews shows it's a favorite among serious pool owners. However, a few users mentioned that the initial setup can be a bit tricky. Look, it might take a little patience, but once you get it going, it requires minimal maintenance, with sand lasting up to 5 years. This is perfect for you if you have a larger pool and want a reliable, low-maintenance system. Skip this one if you have a smaller pool and don't want something too powerful. For the investment, it offers solid long-term value. Lastly, if you need even more power and efficiency, the next product might just blow you away. Product number 5. INTEX 3000 GPH Crystal Clear Sand Filter Pump. Finally, we have the INTEX 3000 GPH Crystal Clear Sand Filter Pump priced at $247.94. If you want the best filtration for your above-ground pool, this is definitely worth a serious look. With a flow rate of 3,000 gallons per hour, it handles pools up to 19,600 gallons. It even uses hydroaeration technology for improved water clarity and circulation. With an impressive 4.6-star rating from over 6,100 reviews, people love it. Now, some users have noted that it's on the pricier side. Here's the thing though, if you have a larger pool and want top-tier filtration, this investment pays off in cleaner, clearer water and less maintenance hassle in the long run. This is perfect for you if you have a sizable pool and want the best filtration system available. Skip this if you have a smaller pool or a tight budget. In terms of value, it's a solid long-term investment for a cleaner pool. So there you have it, a quick rundown of the top 5 above-ground pool pumps. From the reliable Kim filter options to the powerful INTEX models, each one has its strengths depending on your pool size and maintenance needs. Take your pick based on what's most important to you, whether it's ease of maintenance, power, or even visibility. Happy swimming!